like that.
Good answer. Happy wife, happy life.
That's it.
All right, we'll be back in the morning.
She helped work on it, so yeah.
So when I was a kid, this truck pulled across the street, and that son of a gun, it was like 7:30 in the morning. We're all waiting for the bus. We were like sitting over there, just waiting and watching. He pulls out that drawer, and the steam from those glazed donuts just waffled through there, and it went right over to us, grabbed us by the nose, and drug us over here, and we emptied all our pockets to the guy. There were two, what, a nickel piece?
Yeah, when I was a kid, a truck just like this would come by that was driving through the neighborhood.
With a whistle,
And it had a
like a horn whistle, like that.
That's it. There you go.
There you go.
I'd blow it.
It's the same street on my street.
We'd go in the house, get a nickel, come out, you can get a donut. The guy rolled the drawer out.
But if you were real lucky, you had a quarter, you could get a cream puff.
Yeah.
Oh, that was like, that's for rich people.
Yeah.
Donuts lined up, man.
The dime I got for milk money was taken by these son of a guns. Every morning, it seemed
We
like.
needed milk, right?
Well, that's what I thought as I
Kind of a waste of
peanut butter sandwich at lunch.
Although I talked to guys that would go down and rip the milk off the front porch and go down and get the donut.
Oh, yeah. Never thought of
They
that.
used to deliver milk in bottles.
I had this one friend, he's telling the story. The Helms guy lived just down the street on the side. He always saw him every day, and him and his buddy are sitting out on the back porch in the house. And mom's got all these cupboards and stuff. And the guy pulls up, goes in the house, and he says, let's go get some stuff. So they went and they ripped off the truck, and he said, we'll put it in this cupboard. Mom never goes here. So he put it in the cupboard. He said, we hadn't sat down 10 minutes, Mom come out, and that's the cupboard shield.
Although, yeah, they know. Mothers know. Yeah, they do.
So he said, we were washing that truck and cleaning it for months.
I'll teach you. So my grandmother had a door by her front door, with a little metal door that the milk went in. And we had a door on the inside, metal door to open up. There was always a metal rack in there. You put the glass bottles in with the flippy tops, what were those cog tops?
Yeah.
And then
That's where the pogs came from. Milk bottles.
Yeah, exactly where it came from. And whatever happened to that craze anyway?
Pogs went away.
But those were the days,
coming
right?
out to the Helms truck. Gotta love Helms.
I can taste them now. Thank you.
You bet.
It's Dad's 350 that he originally built for his 80 Chevy work truck. The plan was to build.
That's nice. You seen this before?
What's that?
This? I sent you a picture of it.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's really clean. What was your MOS in Army? What was that? Door gunner?
All like in steel?
Oh, no, I thought it was a door gunner. That's what they told me my MOS was.
No, I was for a while, yeah. Aerial gunnery instructor. We came back here to HMMT 302. Who are you with?
Pardon me?
Who are you with?
I was with a 34 Signal Battalion out of Stuttgart, Germany.
Oh, wow.
I was a beer inspector for 3 years. I inspected every beer in every town, and I came up with the conclusion that I'm an alcoholic. Yeah, somebody's had to do it. Are you spent?
What?
Are you spent too? You want to go or what?
Yeah.
My dogs are barking.
Ain't nothing there I need, I don't think.
Okay, let's go.
I like those Cyclones at 67.
Yeah.
Mercury Cyclone.
Right,
There's a Ford Fairlander Mercury Cyclone.
right.
They usually have the 390.
Yep.
But every now and then I found old boy both had a 427 in his, or 429.
That's cute. They're gonna let us go out here, aren't they? Yeah. Robert Height's funny car. That's a Dodge. One of the ugly Dodges.
Yeah.
They were ugly, but they were pretty.
I see Right John's out here, AAA.
Yeah.
Like local bars.
It is.
Push button.
Well, it's got the
Push button. Yeah.
speedometer with the. It's got this little thing that
383 cubic inch, 325 horse.
hooked antenna up. 1961.
The turbo.
Okay, well,
61 Dodge Polara.
we are done.
And they haven't changed that logo on that door for years, have they?
The dogs, who?
The white door.
Who?
The white door, that California Highway Patrol logo.
No.